Today we are going to talk about ARP. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. We configure ARP due to the reason actually we want to enhance our network security. If we configure DHCP server, then any client connecting your network, then he can actually access internet, right? But if you configure ARP, then only when you manually entry of the client PC's MAC address in your router, then your client will get internet. We can say IP to ARP. Automatically your client will added here because all of the interface by default ARP enabled, right? So that if you configure like that, this is our Ethernet to our local interface, and ARP by default it's enabled, right? Okay, so if you want to browse, then we can browse, no problem. It's also available in our IP to ARP, right? And if we see our LAN card IP address, I think this IP address already assigned, right? 100.2, and we are getting internet. Now if we configure our interface to Ethernet 2 as a replay only, then you can see IP already assigned, but the client never will get internet. Let's see, apply. Okay, now if you want to browse anything, just I am going to close my browser. Now we set interface as a replay only, right? Okay, our local interface. Okay, now if you want to actually browse any site, just MikroTik.com. Then you can say it's not browsing and it's just trying, right? And your LAN card also yellow symbols are there, right? So that if you want to configure your router as a host client MAC address entry are available in your router, those people will get internet only. So how we can collect MAC address? There is several ways. Just I am showing one of the way. CMD. You can just open CMD, then write ipconfig/all. Then you can say this is your IP address, right? And this is the physical address. You can copy, or you can just type manually. If you want to copy here, just mark, then just click mouse right button, then go to the IP ARP, then you can manually enter this IP address here 192.168.100.2, and you can just paste MAC address, then select your LAN interface, then apply. Okay, now you can see it's now working, right? Because we manually enter our MAC address. So if you want to try now, we can access and browse all of the things. So if you want to manually configure your MikroTik router, if you want to manually assign MAC address, if you want to actually secure your network, then you can deploy ARP. Thank you.